Samsung announces the date of Galaxy Unpacked event for its new foldables. On July 9th, the brand will unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Galaxy Z Flip 7, Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and the Galaxy Watch 8 series. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 official pic leaks. Now Galaxy Z Flip 7 real-life image showcases revamped cover display. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is going to sport a 3.6-inch cover display with a 6.8-inch inner display. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 might deliver some meaningful changes after all, as leaks now claim that the device will have a full-size outer display that wraps around the cameras. That does make both screens just a tiny bit larger. Galaxy Z Flip 7, with a 50-megapixel primary sensor and a 12-megapixel ultrawide. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Fold 7 are expected to start at the same price, $1,099 for the Flip 7 and $1,899 for the Fold 7. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is packing this Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, also have 12 or 16 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.